What if I tell you that by 2026, people who understand AI today will be 10x ahead of everyone else, not because they code, but because they know how to use AI as a business partner? In this video, I'm sharing the 5 biggest AI business ideas that are set to dominate 2026 and can realistically make you life-changing income. Number 1 is AI automation agencies, where businesses pay monthly fees to automate customer support, lead generation, WhatsApp replies, CRM systems, and even appointment booking using AI. Companies don't want employees anymore, they want automation. Number 2 is AI content and YouTube automation studios, where faceless channels, short-form reels, ads, and blogs are fully created using AI tools, and brands will happily pay thousands because attention is the new currency. Number 3 is personalized AI education and coaching platforms, where AI tutors create custom learning paths for students, professionals, and even kids. Education will no longer be one-size-fits-all, it will be AI-driven and subscription-based. Number 4 is AI-powered e-commerce and dropshipping, where AI predicts winning products, writes ads, creates product videos, handles customer queries, and optimizes pricing automatically. Smart stores will replace manual sellers. And number 5, the most underrated but biggest opportunity, is AI services for local businesses like clinics, real estate agents, gyms, and restaurants. AI chatbots, voice assistants, review management, and ad automation can turn boring local businesses into money machines, and most of them don't even know this technology exists yet. The truth is, you don't need to invent AI, you just need to position yourself between AI and people who don't understand it, and by 2026, those people will pay any price to survive. If you start now, you won't be chasing money in the future, money will be chasing you.